Redeeming your point for credit or cash on Ghana's localized e-news platform is quite easy. Once you log in, just click on the small arrow beside my profile in the top menu. Select Redeem Point from the drop-down menu. You will redirect it to the Redeem Point page. At this page you can select the item you want to redeem with your points by clicking on the Select Network. And on this item page, click on Choose an option to select Mobile Network. After that you click on Redeem. Then click on View Card at the top of the page to view and confirm item. Once you are okay with your item selection, then you click on Proceed to Checkout. Now fill in the details at this page, and remember all fills with asterisk are required. Remember to enter your phone number for the type of mobile network selected. If the order total in set this point is more than or equal to your actual points balance, then you can redeem the item with your points. If in case your point balance is not enough, then you will have to post, read, comment, and watch more videos to increase your point balance. Once you have selected the point gateway, tick and agree to our terms and conditions. Then click on Place Order to redeem the item or cash.
To register, visit www.news.gh-lep.com/register.